Hello buddies, today in this topic we gonna see about gratitude. We all simply know that gratitude is mean that appreciating for something or thanking for what we have. But we all don't know the power of gratitude, and by following gratitude habit we can change our total lifestyle. When we thank ourselves for what we have, we feel happy. Gratitude is one of the feelings that gives us peace. Many of the people can ask why we should feel gratitude, why we should be gratitude for all the things. What will happen? It doesn't change the past or it will not change the future, you may think. But the real truth is the gratitude habit can change your future. Just listen carefully. Now I gonna explain how scientifically and spiritually gratification impact on human beings. So when we first of all talk about scientifically, how this gratification works scientifically. So when we start thinking for gratitude or appreciating or thanking the people or for the things what we have, scientifically our brains start producing the happiness hormones called dopamine. So when we start flowing the hormones of dopamine, we start feeling happy. Dopamine is a simple reward system that helps us after completing a task. It will reward us as dopamine. Simply the dopamine makes us happy. So this gratitude feelings produce us dopamine hormones and makes us happy, then that boosts us to do more work and more productively. So now let's discuss how this gratification impacts us spiritually. I think many of us know that law of attraction. The law of attraction rule simply means that if you want something, you need to imagine that you have it already. By repeated practice of this imagination, we people start attracting the cosmic energy, that the cosmic energy will give us what we want. This is the simple rule of law of attraction. So when we start following our gratification habit, we will start attracting more. So let's simplify it with an example. So when we have a small car, we feel gratification for it. Then we start attracting, our gratification will work with the cosmic energy and universe, and it will give us a car which may be more luxury. But we want to take a step to buy that car also. We can't just simply sit and feel gratitude all the times. If we feel gratitude, we should work hard for the thing also. And one of the major benefit of this gratification was people may tell that I am overthinking, I am thinking negatively more times. So to avoid these problems, we can follow gratification. Just simply think that we can't think both positive and negative at a time. So when we focus on positive things, the negative things can't enter into our mind. Now let's see how blue dot effect changes our life. We can start with a real-time example. In a survey, the researchers took 5 people. They are named as A, B, C, D and E. So they kept one by one in front of a large screen where they will have a remote. In that remote there will be only 2 buttons. One button is named as blue, another button is named as not blue. That 5 people were given a remote personally to each one of them. So in the screen the dots will appear. If the dots appear as blue, they should press the blue button. If it is any other color other than blue, they should press not blue color. When the research has been started, the researchers shown more blue colors in that screen. After seeing the blue color frequently on the screen, even if they appear a violet color, the people started pressing the blue color button. At the end of the research, the researchers concluded that if we follow anything strongly and believe it, it will definitely happen, or we will believe that it is already happened. So guys, just believe that if you want or fighting for something, just put your hard work and place your major part of work and just wait for the universe to give it. I just want to tell you that don't use your hope until you become your best. Whatever may be the external guys, just focus on yourself, you can win the world. Thank you friends. Please like, share and subscribe.